Good afternoon, my friends. We have here a Lexus 570 LX570. We want to do a diagnosis. We have check light and for low, and also I write on digital screen that VS system to check it. So the car here on my machine, I find the version of the vehicle, so I will start doing my diagnosis. We'll go to diagnosis like that. I want to go to auto scan to check general everything, so we start making scanning. Engine, as you see the faults that is giving. Now it's checking all the modules of the vehicle, so I will check one by one after the modules, because the vehicle actually entered to safe mode, is vibrating as if it's working with a 1 or 2 cylinder less, so it don't have power to move. We complete, as you see, 100% go. Navigator system is say here. Let's go to navigator system. Trouble codes. This is the codes: media malfunctioning, USB device, USB communication malfunctioning. So clear DTC. Yes, sorry about the delay. I off the motor because it's hot. No fault detect. Escape. It's reading the code to repeat to see if it will come up again. Leave it to read. Let me go up from up to start, because here we have the faults because of the ABS, and the engine is the vibration of the engine. This actually two ECUs they use to affect this kind of things. Let me go to OK. Trouble codes. So as you see, have misfire, system 2 link bank 1, system 2 link bank 2, evaporated emission control system, evaporated control system leaks detect, and have multi-misfires. You see random multi-misfire. All the troubleshooting have to do with the fuel and the air and the vacuum of the motor. Now I will talk about this kind of troubleshooting. I will make one video that I will explain generally about the misfire, what's going on, because it's genetic code. It can be anything that have to do with the air and the fuel for the combustion of the fuel inside of the cylinder. So now I want to clear the TTC to see which car, because they used to use the motor with check light, so by the time that is coming check light affect another components of the electronic system of the vehicle. It's saying no fault detect. This is a good sign. Maybe it's misfire because of fuel. Let me start the engine. As you see now, the codes disappear direct. And my own opinion, because they don't have good fuel here, because they leave the car on without fuel, is sucking all the dustbin from the tank. So I believe there is the problem. So it's good before we do any movement to put fuel and recheck the motor again. It's reading again the code about the engine, and let me go into the ABS direct. Okay, no fault detect. Probably have the code that have to do with the engine, because when engine make malfunctioning, affecting the ABS also, and it's bringing the C1201, I think, or C1203, I'm not sure, and say that the malfunctioning of engine. So probably because I erased the ECUs, the NGECT module is he already erased automatically, because the code have to do with the engine side. Let me make a quick erase. The remaining one is secondary, they don't affect the engine. It's some things that maybe they don't work, or maybe with audio, with speakers or something like that. Now, as you see, it's not receiving some signals. For this reason I bring these things. But air condition is, you have troubleshooting, because they swap it from Klima, they do it AC probably. It's very common thing here. Or maybe a sensor, sun sensor, something like that don't operate, but it don't affect. The AC is cooling. As you see here, the temperature is low, AC is on. Try to establish the communication, but is deleting. Okay, solar sensors. Yes, is common problem with the Lexus Toyota. Is the solar sensors that they are on the top of the dashboard. This is the diagnosis about the car, but as you see the dashboard, fuel low. This is something that don't have to do, but I believe it's from the fuel, all this multi-misfire and system to link and vacuum and etc. So thank you very much. I promise you very soon I make a video and I will start analyzing codes, sensors and all these kind of things, how operate on one vehicle.